everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make this beautiful quilling earring. So for that you need some quilling strips, quilling tool, Fevicol, this colorful stone and earring hooks. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. So firstly you need a paper quilling strip. Wrap it around a Fevicol bottle. Apply some glue on the edges and now start folding it, because we have to make a ring out of it. Once you are done, so secure the ends using glue. And now just press it between your fingers like this. You'll have this kind of shape. And now apply some glue all over this ring. And let it dry for some time. Now I have two color strips here, pink one and white one. I'm attaching them with the using of glue. Now I'm rolling my strip from the white one. Now loose this coil. Secure the ends using glue. Press it like this and make an eye shape. I have created two more with using same method. And now take your ring that you have created and take one eye shape, apply some glue on it and attach like so. Take the another one, attach it as well. And the third one in the middle of these both, like this. So easy, so simple, no advanced technique. So guys, as it's done, so I'm going to attach this pearl. I'm here taking brown. You can add whatever you want to, like this. So the final thing, I'm going to insert my earring hook. So the same way I have created one more. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, so give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So yeah, and guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.